Introduction to UiPath Communications Mining. Hello, and welcome to an introduction to UiPath Communications Mining, formerly known as Reinfer. In this video, we'll learn about the challenges that all businesses face handling their communications data and the importance of natural language processing tools, what UiPath Communications Mining does, and how we can help solve these challenges, what communications mining means for you and your business, and why our communications mining solution is trusted by enterprises. We'll round it off with some of our core use cases and some real-life examples of how our clients are using it today. Let's start by setting the scene, beginning with the importance and ever-present nature of communications across the enterprise. Business is built on communications. Almost every process at some stage requires a conversation. Communications across email, tickets, and CRM systems are integral to the completion of a process. Customers reach out when they want something. Colleagues communicate with one another to complete tasks. Every message sent and received is either a problem to be solved or an opportunity to be gained. From support to sales to finance and services, communicating with each other is how business gets done. The challenge enterprises face today is the scale of messages flowing into their organization. The number of emails, tickets, and messages is rising every year, and this is bringing services to a breaking point, increasing the cost to serve and damaging employee and customer experiences. To put it simply, delivering great service with humans alone is not scalable or sustainable for the enterprise. Thankfully, natural language processing, a branch of AI that focuses on helping machines read and understand human language, has seen massive advances in recent years. Natural language processing, or NLP, has come of age, and it's now beating humans in language understanding and reading comprehension. This generates new solutions and opportunities for the enterprise. With NLP, it's now possible to understand communications at scale, enabling businesses to understand what every customer wants, to track and measure all service demand, and to automate every transactional request, freeing highly skilled employees from administrative work, reducing the cost to serve, and improving experience. UiPath Communications Mining, formerly Reinfer, was built to help enterprises conquer the communications challenge. It uses state-of-the-art machine learning and natural language processing technology to analyze and enable action on any message, at speed and scale, on every channel. We combine unsupervised machine learning with employee-driven active learning in a zero-code interface. This ensures that trained models have an accurate, contextual understanding of the conversations happening in any business. These models provide actionable, structured data on every communication that can be used to drive both analytics and automation. Communications mining increases efficiency, enhances the customer experience, and improves governance and control. It works quickly and at scale, delivering value in hours, not months. So how do we do it? First, we connect to your channels of unstructured communications data. These could be shared email inboxes, workflow tickets, or collections of survey responses, to list just a few examples. Getting this data into the platform can be done via live integration with pre-built connectors for channels such as Microsoft Exchange or Salesforce, building API integrations, or uploading historic data, either via CSV or our API. With data uploaded, the platform automatically kickstarts the discovery process. It uses unsupervised learning to cluster together groups of communications that share similar themes and concepts. These clusters can link to repetitive processes, requests, issues, and sentiments. They can both help us to define the right structure for our model and speed up the first stage of model training. By reviewing these clusters and applying labels and entities that capture relevant concepts and data points, the platform quickly starts to build a picture of what's in the data. Next, we use a variety of training modes to build out the training data for our model. Here, we're teaching the platform to confidently identify these labels and entities across the breadth of our data. These training modes are designed to maximize the impact of training actions and minimize the time spent training. Meanwhile, the platform's zero-code interface means that a model trainer can be any business user working in the communication channel. No data scientists or engineers required. With every training section, the platform continuously retrains, improving its understanding of each concept and data point and updating its predictions in real time. By labeling a small, representative sample of training data, The platform is able to apply its understanding of each label and entity at scale, automatically interpreting and making predictions across the entire dataset. The end result? Structured label and entity predictions, each with their own confidence scores, for every communication, just like this example email here. These predictions are made available for analytics in the platform or via the API for consumption by UiPath bots and other tools for automation or further analysis. But before we rely on these predictions to influence decisions or enable action, we need to know how our model is performing. The platform's validation functionality provides full transparency when it comes to performance, validating your model automatically each time it retrains. We can easily understand if our model is performing as it should across key performance factors that are aggregated into a single model rating for simplicity. The platform also guides model trainers to make improvements as needed with recommended next best actions. Once we're happy with our model's performance, we can very quickly generate valuable and actionable insights from these business conversations. The platform aggregates all of the predictions for labels and entities with key metadata to provide a wealth of queryable data, providing visibility into previously hidden processes and channels. This allows users to create custom dynamic dashboards to track key metrics and the quality of service delivered to customers and clients, run analyses to identify opportunities to improve processes or customer experience, or set up alerts to monitor channel performance and risk events. Just to name a few examples. Alongside analytics, we can deploy trained models to enable production automations. UiPath robots and downstream systems can utilize the structured data created by UiPath Communications Mining to extend automation into service and conversation-based processes. This allows businesses to automate transactional requests and workflows. Tasks like triaging emails, updating customer information, and case creation can now be automated end-to-end by UiPath. Leading enterprises trust Communications Mining to analyze and automate their communications. And here are some of the reasons why. No code. We democratize NLP for the business user. The platform's zero-code interface provides a guided user experience that any employee can use, regardless of technical ability. Fully customizable. You can create fully bespoke models that extract the exact intents, themes, and sentiments that your business needs. Accurate. You can train accurate models with minimal training data, with full transparency on model performance to avoid unexpected outcomes in production. Fast to train. You can keep costs and effort low and confidence high, with models that are quick to train and fast to adapt. Hyperscalable. You need to start small to succeed, but you'll need a solution that can rapidly scale with your needs for bigger use cases, which our platform does. Real-time monitoring and alerts. With configurable dashboards, email alerts, and reports tracking key metrics in real time, you'll have all the data you need to make proactive, informed decisions. Secure. Above all, you need a solution that you can trust your data with, and our platform's permissioning and encryption ensures customer data is secure and protected. Easy to integrate. We have pre-built integrations for key communications channels, easy to work with APIs, and connectors for workflow and RPA, helping it easily fit into your technology stack. So what does UiPath Communications Mining mean for you? Our solutions open up the power of AI and NLP to all business users, not just data scientists and engineers. It helps you discover at scale the issues driving customer demand and the actions that lead to better outcomes for your customers. It means you can enjoy more interesting work by benefiting from powerful automations that take care of boring, repetitive tasks associated with communications. And it lets you focus on the work that matters, devoting more time to customers and the workflows that drive real business value. UiPath Communications Mining provides enterprises with full operational visibility, letting you understand and augment your business like never before. It helps your business to realize faster, more accurate MI capture and identify the most valuable change opportunities with confidence. Understand the drivers of workflow and customer contact at the source, quickly seeing what creates customer success. And finally, scale your operations rapidly and efficiently with the automation of comms-based work. As we've seen, UiPath Communications Mining opens up significant opportunities for both analytics and automation for our customers. For analytics, some key groups of use cases include communications mining. As our platform's namesake, this is often the first step our customers take, mining historic communications to identify, quantify, and prioritize transformation opportunities to feed into change and automation pipelines. Voice of the customer. Combining intents with sentiments to understand and continuously improve quality of service and the customer experience. Communications monitoring. Creating a real-time view of all service communication channels. Measure, monitor, and improve. For automation, typical use cases are auto triage, automating the classification, prioritization, and routing of incoming comms. Case automation, automating case creation and augmentation in service desk tools. Query automation, the end-to-end automation of frequently occurring transactional requests. So where can UiPath Communications Mining be deployed? The answer? Anywhere. In every industry, each process and action on screen, from customer support to the ordering of parts in manufacturing, to insurance quotes, claims, and renewals, starts with some form of communication. As businesses grow, they need solutions like ours to help them effectively manage these communications or risk falling behind. Here's some specific examples of how our customers are using UiPath Communications Mining. In investment banking, we help banks auto-triage hundreds of operational mailboxes, automate transactional requests, and monitor and improve the quality of service they provide to their clients. In insurance, we help insurers auto-triage their underwriting operations mailboxes, automate administrative tasks, and analyze claims data at scale. And for our e-commerce clients, we're helping them to truly understand the voice of their customers and which customer experiences actually impact retention and customer lifetime value. Before we finish, let's recap what we've learned about UiPath Communications Mining. It's a trusted solution that helps enterprises understand and action their communications data at speed and scale. It's designed for business users to quickly train models in a no-code environment, removing the need for data scientists and engineers. It generates structured data that can be fed into UiPath automations and other systems to automatically route and end-to-end automate tasks. It generates a wealth of actionable insights into previously opaque communication channels. It can be deployed in any industry and in any department where communication volumes are a challenge. Thanks for watching this introduction to UiPath Communications Mining.